I'm surprised by the first shot of the app. Every time after the first batch, I'm like, whoa, now I really need to take this a step further.
No matter how small the problem your app solves, there's always some space to go the extra mile. Yann's app that lets you customize your macOS app icons makes that clear as day. It's simple. You set the custom icon and it's protected against future app updates. But the execution is what makes this app so special. You can also share a beautiful render of your customized dock. I invited him for a little chat so he could share some tips on how he built this with Glaze. Where did this idea come from?
I think I'm just drawn to utility apps in general. I love to build anything related to customizing every aspect of your Mac. And the designer side in me love to customize the visual aspect of it. And when you think about it, Mac app icons in general, you see them everywhere. You see on your dock, you see them when in the app switcher, in Raycast. I think there is it's super important to customize every aspect of your environment. If anyone tried one day to customize an app icon, after every app update, it gets resets to the native one. And so I was super tired like everyone else, I think, and I just wanted to build an app to fix that.
But you went a step further than just allowing people to choose an icon for an app and persist that icon. So do you want to tell us a little bit about the extras that you added?
Everybody can go to Dribble, Figma community on Twitter, etc. But it would be really nice if everybody can know this icon from Gavin, this icon from Thiago Costa, etc. And so I was let's just feature some of the best icons I know, and then in the future do updates to the app so everybody can see them, purchase them eventually. And second is and now let's just let people share that dock. So you can customize a bunch of options, change the format, change the wallpaper, change the icon as well that you want to showcase.
Maybe you can talk a little bit about the process. Is it something you enjoyed? What were the challenges? Was there anything that surprised you?
I'm super surprised by the first shot of the app. You go way further than just the basic functionality level, even the look of it and the different, what if I right click on this? What is the resize constraints? Do I already have tooltips? All those different details that kind of make a difference between what you can consider really V0 of an app versus something that already feels quite polished. So every time after the first batch, I'm whoa, now I really need to think way more about what I want. And that's actually a good thing. You're okay, my idea was actually quite simple to build. Now, how do I take this a step further?
Do you have any tips on how to go from that initial build to something that feels maybe more customized, or something that better sort of fulfills the image that you had of it?
Two aspects, I think. One is universal, dog food it, use it as much as possible and try to think of every use case possible. And now you have no excuse to not think about that, because you're just a prompt away to think about this use case. And second is having this AI layer is not an excuse to not do design exploration with your tool of choice. Grab some references and try to fit them to the Glaze builder. I also love, you got with the command dot, you have this annotate thing that you can inspect, etc. And go through this process of queuing multiple messages. One particular aspect I love about Glaze is how fast you can think and just prompt, and then you just wait for the result, and that's kind of impressive. Yeah.
This was Icon Keeper by Yann, and I must say I'm blown away by this app. The level of polish, how native it feels, the fact that you can even generate a little image of your dock to share with other people, and even the community aspect where you can see icons from other designers. It really is one of the nicest apps I've seen built with Glaze. And I think it's worth remembering that he built all of that without writing a single line of code. So if you also want to build your own app, then head over to glaze.app. Cheers.